everybody. Today we are going to be doing a super clean video.
That's right.
We're going to draw for the winner of the giveaway.
There you go. So what we've done is we made some labels with everyone's names that entered. We're going to throw them in this hat here. We're going to shake it up. Rock's going to draw a name out, and Hartley's going to
Read it.
tell us who the winner is. Okay. Rocky, are you ready to pick?
Yeah.
Okay, reach in there and pick one. Just get one. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hand that to sister.
Sky Kool-Aid.
Sky Cooley. All right. So, Sky Cooley, what we are going to do is send you a message in response to where you send us a message saying giveaway. So we'll respond to you on that, and then we'll give you, we'll just get your address and all that stuff, and we'll get the product sent to your house. So thanks everyone for participating. It's a lot of fun. We really enjoy Super Clean. It's fun letting these two do it too. So thank y'all for participating with them. Y'all got anything else?
Yeah.
What do you got?
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. What about you?
Thank you for putting giveaway on our channel.
Very good.
And
Don't freeze up. Don't freeze up.
good job, Sky. Okay.
And thank you for watching our videos.
Yeah. Do you think we need some subscribers?
Yeah.
And what you ask them to get some people to subscribe or something?
Please subscribe to our channel.
Tell all your friends. Tell your family members. Tell coworkers. Tell people at church. Tell people at the park.
Yeah.
Where else can they tell them?
They
Tell
can
people at the
tell
mall. I mean, just tell them
the meeting. At their meeting.
at their meetings.
At school.
Yeah,
At
meetings are good.
school.
At school. Yep, that's good. So, thank you to everyone for participating, and we will see you next time.
Yeah. And we'll see the winner.
And the winner. Yeah,
Next time.
we'll be sending everything to the winner. All right.
Yeah.
See you guys.